This is what happens when you have enabled, yeah, big F, when you enable fucking overlays in a stream. I'm telling you guys, it's dangerous. I don't know, I just started render doc and the thing just went boom. What? Render boom, yeah, exactly. Mr. Internet Guy gets it again. Alright. There. Let's try this again, alright? Could actually maybe quickly I'm gonna check sudo journal CTL reverse. Let's see what happened even. Like it was 21:35. Starting device here. Not here. Finish virtual console setup. I don't know what is this. I don't know, it doesn't say anything, no such device. That's not really a problem. I'm trying to find a system crash in my journal. I don't know if it's the right place to look at right now, but... doesn't say anything. I think it just went on in a loop and a loop and a loop. Why do we even have stream elements asking us to customize in the chat? To customize the bot. I just added stream elements, alright? I don't know what to tell. It's there. Be happy, please. Anyways. Let's open render docs again and hope it doesn't crash. Okay, got that far at least. Let's see, load planetary sigma. And can I just make it auto capture? Capture option, auto start. Okay, let's see. If I launch it, let's see. Now the whole thing will crash again. If it does, I will get back on. Okay, thank God it didn't even run. Invalid executable. Right, I have changed the location. It's not anymore in here. We have it in here now. Like so. It's taking out. Oh, fuck. I should have ran through the terminals just to see more information. Because now this thing will not... well, it will capture. It shouldn't take this long to run though. No errors? No nothing? It just was like, alright. Okay. Let's just do Q render. Oh. Okay, now we'll get a little bit more information about what's gonna happen. So let's load settings again. Whoa, it panicked? Oh, look at that, that's great. That makes sense. Have you checked SDL3 GPU? No, I have not. I have... wait, Harold, isn't that what Cheesecake and... is it Phoenix are working with?
I don't know if Phoenix uses that, but Cheesecake uses it, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we have people. We have people. No, no,
I've
no.
used it, bro.
And Harold has, so, but not more than that. No, I have not checked it out actually now. A bit of a sidetrack here right now. Wait, sorry. Okay, let's launch it. Let's see what happens. Wait, did I put auto capture on? I hope I did. Wait. Why is it fine? It shouldn't be fine. Why is it fine now? When I'm loading it through the render dock, it seems like it's like, yeah, we cool. This is fine, it's fine. But when I run it normal, it's like, no. What? That's bullshit. Okay, that's a fine crash though, but what? It's just because I have some of these flags enabled. It has to be, right? Okay, well, I mean... Fuck. Okay. We're gonna do this. Oh wow, look at that. We're gonna take these. I'm gonna GPT this thing because this doesn't make like sense. Like, why would it? I don't know if I even want to run it once normally because I don't want it to crash again, and then my stream will crash, and then I will cry. But yeah, Ramani, Jonathan, you got any question or like why do you wonder if I've used SDL3 GPU? Okay, wait, I will run it once just so we can have some data to provide to ChatGPT. And be like, why the hell is this the case? Why when I run through... Maybe I can do first without crashing the thing. And it might be able to provide some answers. Because I don't even get the valid... It just says that something crashes with the validation layers. But it doesn't tell me what, just like... The validation layers themselves crashes. And I'm like... Ah! Great. Great. When I run through... When I run... my Vulkan application through render dock, it is fine. But when I don't run normally, it crashes. The validation layers themselves crashes. Okay. These are the flag or env run. So, and not my normal setup. But also I kind of don't want to run this because I would also like to somebody who doesn't use render be able to play the thing, you know? It would be kind of horrendous to give it like, yeah, sorry, you need render dock if you're gonna be playing this game. That's just how it is, you know? You catch my drift? Maybe I could even... The InValist different window exp in RenderDoc you are effectively running X11 GTX backend display 0 typically Wayland display sunset. Ignore the setup. When you run normally on the desktop you are likely on Wayland, so an app GLFW you choose Wayland WSI instead of X11 WSI. Change Vulkan surface extension code path. You hit Vulkan Wayland versus Vulkan XCD surface. It can expose a bug. Okay. Well, then we have a slight issue, right? Main here, and let's see here. No, wait, is this? I don't even tell it to use Wayland. Oh no! Wait, no, here. Wait, is it a device extension or is it a... I forgot already. PK Chronos Wayland surface. Why not just look at Crash Stack? Oh wait, sorry. What? I want to make a game in Vulkan, but it's a bit too hard, so I tried running Vulkan backend Vertex Frag SPRV in SDLG and it works nicely. However, I don't know what the trade-off is between running SDL3 versus Vulkan directly.
Not too much.
I don't think no. I think they are pretty much like the only places where like I mean you do have more control in Vulkan, I think still. But it really doesn't really help or give any performance. I don't think, unless if you actually know what the hell.
If you know what you're doing.
Yeah, if you really know what you're doing, then it can help. But I think like the margin of improvement is unless if you're making like a highly realistic, optimized for a AAA studio.
Like a real end,
yeah, like a real thing. It doesn't really matter. Like even like OpenGL or it's still fine. Like you don't even need to go as far to use Vulkan. I just use Vulkan because it forces me to learn a little bit more about how things work, and that's the only reason. Literally, well, also it's I prefer it still. It's interesting. It's very I like the API also, to be honest. It's very nice. It's very nice. Instance extension. Okay. So the thing is, but if I add it here, you're gonna have a few other issues. Which is, I don't think it will run. Because I have a thing. Let's see. Oh, will it run? It shouldn't run. Oh, it still crashed. Oh no, don't crash the stream. Don't crash the stream. Don't crash the stream. Oh no. But wait, is it better or is it worse? I think it's worse. Okay. This is the thing I got. Why not look at the crash stack? Well, I don't know. Like, can I? Do you mean like going into? Because it's literally like. Oof.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Wait, let me actually check. Am I doing?
Free kit Stellamontis?
Yeah, because I initialize it like this.
Right now.
He says, yeah.
What? No. What?
Nothing.
Okay.
We're having two different conversations.
Okay. What am I supposed to Wayland? Platform Wayland. Right? Platform X11. Because I think it just crashed when I tried to use this normal Wayland. Additionally, crashing for your process is crashing inside your debug call.
OpenGL.
No. We just spoke about it. I'm like,
the hot reloading.
No, you can still do hot reloading with OpenGL. I just don't want to use it. But it still crashes with.
Just skip the whole planetary Sigma.
And do what? Terminate.
Planetary Sigma 2.0.
Oh, straight to that. That's wonderful to know. Then I can safely pursue with SDL3. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Segfault file during a print your callback to p message is a C pointer string. We're feeding it to asset. Oh wait. Also notice callback is being invoked from validation layer thread. So if you also shutting down racing with teardown blah blah blah. Wait, is it just that I'm passing it wrong in the callback with the debug? This one is different though. At least it didn't go through and crash through the same process. Well, I guess it's because I terminated it before it had a chance. Vulkan 139. So here, I'm just passing probably the string wrong. Converts the C string to a slice safely and guard nulls. Let's see. Severity callback. What are I doing here? Because, wait, let me see. Because it is an error, right? Yeah. It's supposed to take in a comp time but that should be... Isn't that fine? Is that wrong? Because I've been using this 100 times already like this. Why would this all of a sudden be incorrect? Let's also give it the signature so it knows. Log an error message using the default scope. This log level is intended to be used as when something has gone wrong. This might be recoverable or might be followed by a wrong exiting. Log an error message. This log level is intended to be used when something has gone wrong. Okay, what? To double the comment. Ha! Because it works normally, there's just means you got lucky with how Sig interpreted the argument. What? It's a C pointer string, but that it's an any type. Log args. Args are still any type. Args are still any type. Okay, so maybe it's actually just that's the case. I'm actually just getting lucky that it works. So they just changed it to take the raw pointer, make it to... It's not null. Span it. Okay, I mean, it's okay. I guess we can do that. It's not too crazy, right? Paste that there. Do this, take that. And then we can go to here, these things, right? And then we just delete that and replace it with message etr. Unused local constant. What? Did I make it a var? No. Message. Just message. My bad. And just like that. Alright. Wait, what is wrong now? I removed one parenthesis too much. Great. And what else is wrong? There is something still wrong. Ah, no, wait. This was supposed to be that. Okay. Okay. Now something else is wrong. And good to see you're back on stream. Good night. Yeah, it crashed. My computer just died. I was like, all right, good. I'm very good at making my computer crash. Why is this still invalid? Because I feel like this parenthesis is connected with that one. The hell? The semicolon is correct, or the semicolon, the colon. Oh wait, it was just glitching. Okay, good. Let's see what it does. Nah, steal. Terminate. So it's not that, it's telling it's something to do with this whole thing. Wait, should I maybe provide a little bit more? But that doesn't make sense because it should be fine no matter how it ends up. Because right now it gets the pointer right, and well, unless the callback structure is wrong. But then it should crash already here when I try to dereference it. So that would be kind of funny. Or structure. What did I call it? Is it a structure? What is it? Yeah, it's a structure. Oh well, as you can see it from there already. So it's really strange that it does this, because if I do, you can see here these info aren't no, wait, they're not. Wait, hold on. Where do I print the info ones? Because that should also be associated. Isn't these the, what the hell? This, yeah, these are the info ones here. And they are being printed fine. So I mean, that's kind of crazy. You're still crashing on the line that prints message. That means one of two things. PMS is garbage, your callback API signature is wrong, stack args corrupted, or you're getting called during after teardown and something is already corrupted, less likely with the pointer being this argument is not sensible. Huge tell that's not real heap stack pointer. That's third argument wasn't passed. Senior types call convention. Don't you see here, use nullable const exactly like the C header expects and use call convention C. I mean, it is so weird, so strange. Oops, wrong button. Like so. Because I do give it this, so it should be fine. But for some reason it's not. I don't know. I don't think this is going to help me, really. I mean, they do use... No. What do? They just say a piece, or I don't use piece or data either. And if this thing p callback, that should be valid already as it is. Because otherwise it should crash at this point already, right? No, we can still try it, but... Or I just make it that you have to use the... what's it called? X11 in order to run it. That could also work. You know, why not just do that? I did not copy the thing. What? I don't know. I will do it again. Yeah, that. TBD. Windows does not support. What? Don't think that should make a difference though. Nope. Still a callback. I don't understand. It's so weird. Why would it? I don't know if I want to go and use just X11 all the time. Like, that's just weird. Oh no, now we got all the way back. Still, it's 60 X68 or 0. Yeah, whatever. Because these things don't really help me anyhow. Running debugger moment. Oh, bro. I'm just gonna figure out still that it's something probably with X11 or Wayland weird thing going on, right? Cover something important. You're crashing inside sig logger while printing and segfault. Yeah, you already established that string. Right is corrupted or you're calling into a logging from a context sig and safe call stack throws validation worker thread func. Oh no. Doing this validation layer thread, your callback std log error sig read boom. What actually happens? Well, either you call signature is wrong or the actual callback message is invalid. I think it's the message. std log default backend ends up using file writer with a v-table drain, a segfault that's extremely consistent with null invalid file writer object v-table pointer ends up near or data erase tear down where the log target is already destroyed, invalid or on another thread, or a thread unsafe log function. Even if your message is correct, you can still crash because the writer itself busted in the thread context. The fastest workaround, don't use std login Vulkan callback, use a plain C write to std. Yeah, that was the last time we tried when we had issues here. Let's just do it for the sake of whatever it is now. We actually used std printf, I think it was. No. This was actually like, because we had another time where there was something crashing, and that's when I figured out I had to use X11, but now I'm like, I would like not to use it. And that actually worked to write the error like that. So this is definitely a troll, this thing, what's going on over here. But what we can do is that we can do this. And we can probably just take this in the middle here. Very nice, right? And then we can do stdio, right? We don't need that. I think this is fine. And then instead of doing these things, we can just yank it. Paste it here. We're gonna gcc. And then here, we're gonna change these things. Oh, why? Oh, right. Forgot. Like that. And we're gonna do C print. Do I remember? Isn't it from stdio that you get the printf? Am I dumb? Isn't that how it works? And then we need to give the C pointer again. Okay, so then it's just the LSP trolling my ass. Won't accept. Yeah, that I understand, but I just need to make sure that I can actually use this. Why are you giving? What the hell? Callback or else printf. Yeah, so it's just printf and then flush apparently. But then this should be fine. We should be able to just do this. And then we change Oh, oops. I accidentally have one too many of these. Okay. And then we can just... Macro must be... can I... wait. Okay, now, wait. Let's focus on one thing at a time. First, I will just take these ones, because this won't work anymore. We will have to use the cbd dot p message, like so. And then this thing, macro name must be an identifier. Wait, hold on. Cannot... Isn't this just how you... Oops. Oh my god. What? It's just... No, why does it say that it has to be an identifier now all of a sudden over here? What? Nah, this is weird. Let me just... It still says that it's... What? Yeah, okay, I don't know, it's tripping, alright? I'm just gonna do... that, and then we're taking this, and then I'm just gonna take that, and then we're gonna go to the top, and I'm just gonna... Oh wait, I already used C, that's why. I should be able still just to do this inside of the function. I think that's what I did last time because I got pissed. And we can call it something different, like just C CC. That can't go wrong, right? And then we go, oh no. Why did you go over there? Jesus Christ. All right. And then this one is unused. Roll this one as well. So let's just add on these ones. And what does it say there? Right. Do a little bit more. That should be fine. Oh wait, this one is already... Ah, God. Wait, what? That is a... Right, I'm supposed to say string. I'm doing the... is it percentage? Printf c... completely forgot. I cannot even get the... okay, wait, let me just get the... Well... Okay. I mean, I have it here already. Why not just take it? This is what we want. And we can actually just do the... No, I'm not going to. Yeah, that thing. Oh, right, that with that. Beautiful. And then as... What the hell? Severity message pointer. Oh, it's giving the severity. We don't need that. We just take this thing. Like so. That's what I want for all of these. Except I don't want... No, I can do stdr for all of them. Yank. Why doesn't it work? Okay. Like that. Gonna go there. select this. Paste that. Why didn't it paste in all of them? Why did only... What? Why is my multi-cursor not working? Undo. Well, I don't know, man. This is getting weird now. Just gonna yank that. And then do one by one, apparently. Great. Yeah, he's using fprintf. Good. Hello, King Daniel YouTuber. Yeah, don't worry. We are mixing a bit of C into this thing right now because we need a normal yeah, thingy. Like so. Okay. And then we have a few extra of these ones apparently. Like so. I don't know why it still says that that's incorrect. Let's see. Okay, it's actually yes. Does not support field access. What do you mean does not support field access? Why can't I do it here? Yeah. So then we still do this. Can I please type? Oh, Jesus. My multi-cursor is so fucking ass. I need to change it. Cannot pass struct C point to direct from not only external structs IBI size pack structure are external compatible. So should I still pass the normal message in there? Can I even do that? No, I cannot. I need to pass a C string. It's a C. It's a nah. It doesn't make sense to do a. That doesn't make any sense. Why would I do that? It's also a variadic function. You don't call it with a struct. Wait, is message a struct? Hold on. I cannot even get information about that, right? Because I changed it. I'm changing this back. Taking this. Wait. All back data. All right. Why did it put right? I swear I put a dot there, but it didn't register it. Okay. And why did? My multi-line curse is so cursed. I swear. I cannot take it any longer. Oh my god. No? Okay. That was the wrong key binding. That was my fault. Yeah, now. Bruh. Okay. But that is a C pointer. I don't understand. Span. I don't understand. Do you just pointer cast it maybe? Your message is in a struct. Yo, bro, just remove. Ah. But wait, isn't. Okay, I actually have forgotten that. Yo, what's up, Artanium Robotics? You have one in better in bat key. What's that? Okay. And then we have C int ignored. Can I do this?
You're on streaming in Discord also.
Damn it. Or is it this thing that is supposed to capture it? Ah, okay. Anyways, oops. Let me just switch to stream in Discord as well. Damn it. Won in the battle. Yo, you said it right. Damn, just discard. Artenium is actually pronounced like that. Okay, damn. Wait. What are we doing right now? If I understood that the title correctly, you're making an engine, right? Yeah. Are you using with open source engine build or like from zero? Well, I'm using Vulkan and GLTF for loading stuff. So I don't know if you count that from zero or not, but yeah. Okay. Okay, that builds. So now if I build and run, let's see. Ah, see? I think, now the validation error works and it doesn't crash. So it's something with the damn logger. But this is better. It's better. So, and we are running right now in Wayland. And guys, you wanna see it's gonna crash? Is it? It didn't crash. Now it's gonna crash. It didn't crash. Ah, that's crazy. Usually it crashes at this point. So it's something with the logger. Ah, damn, that's funny. That's so funny, isn't it? It's so damn funny. I had a blast. Didn't you see how much I laughed through this whole process? No pain, right? Fuck. Okay, it's okay. Don't worry about those ones. Those are my fault. 100%. Those when I exit the program, I don't free shit. I just let everything burn. It's gonna have to do with libc linking in that case. No way.
You're
But
probably already linking libc, so it's fine.
I wanna say yes, but I am right.
Even better, libcpp.
No, but not.
Yeah, I mean, we can do some more linkage.
There's that more. But wait, am I linking with libc for Vulkan? Wait. No, I mean you have some
Yo,
API
Lukas,
boundary weirdness going on there.
open up a
What?
new terminal.
Or do you mean completely new?
Okay, do LDD, okay?
Well, LDD.
And then you do the executable of the game. So it's like sig out, whatever. Space, yeah, sig out, bin.
Oh, it was bin, right?
Then the name, yeah. That's all the things you're linking.
Well, there is libc.so.
Yep.
But is it dependent because I have like the game and then I have like the renderer, right? Or the executable.
Well, the renderer gets linked in statically, so it's
No,
dynamic.
they're dynamically. And
You
it's the
can do it
renderer
on the
that's.
renderer also. You can do LLDB, LDD.
I do have. I do. Can I do it on the renderer somehow? Wait.
You can do it on any object.
But there is. I don't have it. Wait, where do I store the damn the SO? Is it
Well,
SO?
it's not in bin. It's in. Well, no, it is in bin, or is it in lib? Maybe.
Probably
it could
in
be
lib.
in lib actually. Sig out lib.
Yeah, there it is. No, yeah, it does libc as well. Okay. Sorry guys, it's very small. Okay. This is crazy, right? I could never. Well, no, I could never either. I have very smart people with me right now, like Harold and Mr. Internet Guy, who is just, saying, libc and siglog are sharing a string, and one of them is doing something unexpected with it. I will put my bets on. Maybe it's neither. Maybe it's just me doing something weird. Maybe that's the case. Probably a high probability. Anyways, I think should I do the logging through change it from being just then Oof, this is such a oof. Because I don't really don't want to do this, you know. This is kind of like... Could I change the logging from something else then? Harold, what other alternatives exists for logging?
In SIG.
Yeah.
Well, you can make your own logger. Really easy.
Or can I access a C, like just a normal STD out, like printf in C through SIG? Or do I have to do
No,
a C
what you're
import?
gonna do is you're gonna override the thing. Okay, so go to main.sig. Main.sig.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna send you a thing.
Save nothing? What? What?
I'm gonna send you a thing.
Ah, okay. Wait, something is... it's still having issues with that for some funny reason. Similar I think I had at work because two libraries are linking to different versions of... Oh! That actually might be... Could it be? Because I cannot have
Yeah,
two...
that could definitely be.
Could it? Because I don't have multiple versions of... Actually, I do have multiple versions of libc in my system. Or like I do have.
Okay, anyways, I sent you something.
Because of DaVinci Resolve being a beautiful program, a beautiful application that links to an old, or it's something weird. I had to get the old version of libc in order for make it run. It was fun. It was like so hilarious. You should have seen how much pain I went through in order to make it run. Figure out that I need an old version of libc. Yes, very funny. It was so funny. Okay, but then that's fine. Kind of. We still need to make this logger work. You sent thing. What did you send me? Pubconst options log fn. What is this thing? What is this?
The standard library has some options. And you can do that if you just paste that into the main.sig somewhere, probably at the top, I would say.
But why would I do that? Okay.
Then you can. Didn't you say you wanted a different logger or something?
I want something either that I use the C printf because that seems to. This is not the first time we run into this crash, right? So I want to change the way
Yeah,
we're
I get
printing stuff to use something else.
Yeah, so we're gonna just override the log function.
But why would you do it in C main when we are inside of the Vulkan thingy?
Alright, yeah, do it in renderer.sig, I guess, yeah.
Not in Vulkan.sig because it's only the only place that are like.
No, you can't do it in here. You have to do it in the root of the module.
Okay. Like we do this thing.
Yeah, but it's logical actually. You'll never remove that, okay? You won't, okay? It will just
I
be
think
like
I will
a file.
switch the place from where this. I think I will move the hot reloading into this file itself, so you won't have to call it from an external place. But for now.
Nah, bro, the C thing should only be the shit that you expose. Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, no. Like, no. It would be internal. Like, I have normal AP function calls here, which calls then the hot reloaded functions, you know?
Inside of the renderer.sig.
Yeah, and then you just call an update whenever you want to see if there's a new, like this one will take care of the actual thing. So even if you use this thing, you don't have to worry about the hot reloading. It will worry about the hot reloading for you, you know? You just have to call it when you want to do the check.
I don't think you and me are talking about the same thing. And if you're talking about the thing I'm thinking of, that is a terrible idea.
No, it's a great idea.
So no,
because otherwise you will have this kind of nasty 100 lines of these things for every single module inside of the main, and that's kind of disgusting. Instead, just let the module have that, and then you call update or check reload in the modules.
Oh yeah, you mean like that? Okay, now I see what you're talking about. Okay, yeah, just store a map inside of the C that stores like strings and then types, you know.
Anyways, so I'm just gonna. Actually, I'm not gonna do what to do. I'm gonna do a note because this is just not all. Note for overriding prints. So the Vulkan debug works. Okay, so how do I go about what is this even? Like, what does it? What do I do with this thing?
You'll figure it out.
No, I won't.
You can see the log function there.
Is this?
Yeah, you just gotta make a callback, basically.
So here I could put a normal C function call. Or what?
No,
What do I do? Isn't this just
you have to make a wrapper function for it.
Oh my god.
You can't just put in any shit you want, like it's very strict of what it wants.
Yeah, apparently it is. Okay. So just a function here that I call just print.
That's a terrible place for a function, but we'll just leave it there. It doesn't matter.
Okay, great.
Just call it log fn or log or something. Just call it log. You can just copy the type from this log fn that it wants.
Well, I can't. I don't seem to be. Wait.
Just go to std options and copy it from there.
Go to definition there. Okay. And this thing. Ah, wow.
Yeah.
A callback to a callback to a callback. Yes, but won't this just be the same problem? Won't this just result in the same issue?
That's why we're overriding it.
No, but okay, we'll see.
Do you know what overriding is? Have you heard about the concept?
Why did it? I fucked up. All right, look. I may have fucked up. Why? Okay, whatever. Okay, it's
No,
not.
it's because you're doing equals log the default log. Like, you can't just. This is terrible. What? Master programmer.
Thanks. I'm nailing this thing. Wait, what? Why is this not function log?
bro. You can't assign a function.
What isn't it a
You can't
callback?
assign a function.
Isn't it a callback?
Yeah, no. I mean, the standard options are fine, but the declaration of function log, like, look at it. The function.
Oh. Wait, what? What? I did. I just copy pasted that, so it got a bit weird. Okay.
Yeah. Now you do cool devices, yeah. Yeah, okay.
And that's supposed to be the like so. Very nice.
Yeah, now to do formatting actually working, we do. Okay, either I can send this to you, or you can figure it out. Okay, and I'll help you choose.
You can help me figure it out.
Okay. Do var buff or buffer, you choose.
Okay.
Colon, and then now in not const u8, just u8. And we want to specify the length for this one, which is std underscore options.
Underscore options.
And then it is like something, it's like fmt something.
Next step.
Yeah, well, is that the thing? Wait, I'll check.
That's 3. I don't think it's that.
Now just do 64 as a buffer.
That's very little. Okay.
You're very little.
Okay. I don't think that would be enough, but sure. Okay.
Bro, that's what the default is. And now you do equals undefined. Great, okay. Now you do it is just do std dot buff print.
And then just
Yeah, now we're going to pass the buffer here as ampersand buffer. Then you do comma format. Just format.
what the fuck? You didn't see that, alright?
Nice. Comma, and then it is args. Yeah,
Let's go. Or is that it?
that's it. I think buff print may return an error or something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it returns it.
just to catch, because we can't return an error in here, so just to catch on this. Before the semicolon.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Mr. Inter guy is also saying that a buffer of 64 is crazy. Maybe we should go for 40,000. 40,000. 4,900. No, 4,096. Bro, nailed it.
Bro, trust me, this is the default apparently.
What the fuck?
Alright?
I don't think.
I
Okay.
mean,
Okay.
You can look in the default log function if you want, but just to panic.
Yeah, we're gonna panic out of memory every time.
Yeah, just do OOM uppercase all. We'll just copy how the build does it. Yeah, that's a great panic. Okay, now we do std.c
Okay.
dot printf.
Okay, so I can access these things without. It's crazy. Oh my god, that's awesome.
And here you just pass. Actually, I think buff print may actually return the string we want. Is there buff print set? Wait.
Well, that's what I was assuming, that it was putting everything into this thing. Print a format string into buffer, returns a slice of the bytes printed.
Bro, just yeah, but you do a buff print set.
Deprecated in favor of buff print sentinel.
Okay, do sentinel. That probably wants a sentinel. Okay, we'll figure that out. The add-on, brother, right? Okay.
Oh.
Just after the arg,
Mm.
just do comma 0.
Okay.
Now we want to assign this to a constant, and we can call it just out. Const out.
We are cooking something weird here. I'm telling you guys.
No, and then in the printf we used the only thing we pass to it is out.ptr.
But doesn't it nothing else? Is that acceptable? Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
It seems
That
like it.
would work. Right?
Okay. Dependency loop detected. What? Unused
Yeah,
function
right. We're not
parameter.
using those. Okay. Yeah. True. So it's because we aren't using those, and we probably want to use those. So we can do this in a absolutely terrible, stupid, garbage way. Okay?
I like that. I like
So
that.
before this printf, we're gonna do another printf. Yes, std.c.printf. Okay, great. Now here we want to do is the string. Yeah. And then you do %s. And then I would probably do colon also.
New line?
Yeah, and before that colon also, we want to do no.
No.
That actually does remind me of something, because I do. You actually want to do another %s here also.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, and now you do comma after the string. Comma after the string.
Oh, you meant like that?
No. Yes.
I thought you meant for the string that it's gonna be inserted.
We can actually do out.ptr here though, and then we only need one print.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
And before the out.ptr, actually, you can remove the comma there. It's gonna be the last thing. We do at tag name. You also got to have a comma after the string.
she said
String.
just remove
It
it.
has a no, it was after the out.ptr. Then we do message log here.
Message,
Okay, great.
Message log.
Message level, I mean.
Okay.
Level, I mean. I can't read. Then comma after the tag name. Yeah. And then you do tag name again, and you pass in scope. Yes. And then also, for the formatting, we actually want another %s after the semicolon. Colon, I mean, just. After the colon.
After,
Yeah, and a new line also here. Because we print doesn't, the default does that. Okay, great. Now we have the world's most scuff logging function ever made.
I think it would have been better just to use the C library to print the thing there in the...
What? Nah. Anyways, you should probably also do a colon after the first %s, so it's a bit easier to read.
After the first?
Yeah.
Are you like here?
Yeah. Okay. If you want a bunch of spaces everywhere, sure. Go for it.
And but the
Great.
dependency loop detected still. Where is that coming from? Ah, log level. Log. Everything is log here. That's why.
Yes, because it's std.log. Level. Like you copied
Oops.
it from the shitty standard library, which uses a bunch of aliasing. Just no.
Just change this
In the
thing?
message log, the type. Yes, do std.log.level. Just add std.dot there. Yes. Congratulations.
Oh wow, look at that. Now there's a lot of value of type C ignored.
Right, we're ignoring a c int from printf because printf can error. So just do underscore equals because we don't care.
Okay, let's see if it runs.
We do not give a shit if it fails.
How did I switch places between these two somehow? Also, we need to... Wait, how did I do it? Oh no, what am I doing? Help. I did something, I don't know. Oh no, I'm in history now. Let me just... I don't know how to quit it. No, stop. Oh wait, am I out of
How
this?
to exit NeoVim.
This is weird. Okay, now this is fucked up. I was trying to do so.
Expert NeoVim user over here.
Yeah, I'm trying. All right. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so then we can use the normal error messages here, like this. We should be fine. We should be fine. No, that didn't. No. Yeah. Stack frame skipped.
Okay. Just give it more memory. I don't know how the default one does it this. Wait.
Lamau. Let's see. Fault address. Init shader module load file buffer.
Okay.
My shaders are not working now. I think we are out of memory on the whole thing. That's funny.
The log function probably is give it more memory. Okay, apparently the standard one does funky stuff. Okay, you just give it like a trillion gigabytes.
No. What's the 16?
Do this time 10.
What is the 16? Yeah.
What?
The power of 2.
What
Six.
is the 16?
Yeah. What is 16k?
16th of the power of 2.
No, well, we will just give it 20k. Simple. You don't have to think.
Yeah, that should be enough.
It still wasn't. But this is not even from there. This is from my shaders. Did my whole thing break?
Okay.
I just want to make sure it's not this. Or is it just shaders? Okay, it's actually this thing. Oh no, stop. Woo, that was close. Okay, but can we just do this instead in all of the prints then? Like this would be, and don't have to overwrite anything. Well, I guess the std print log is still fucked somewhere else.
Is it just in this callback it isn't working? That could be.
Yes.
Okay, just change out these ones here.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was the entire logging that shit itself.
No.
Yeah, just change this out to printf. I love using printf in SIG. It's so nice.
Yeah, it's so
right?
it's so siggy, you know. Brother.
Yeah.
Why? Why does Sig do this every time I want?
Always failing so hard.
Every time I want to just overwrite something, I always delete it and I overwrite my clipboard to that thing. I was like, fuck, why do you do that? Okay, just do that. Why? I pasted it again and it just pasted on the first one. I don't understand. It should paste on all of them. What's the point of this if I can do a multi-paste? Like, why? I hate this. This is bullshit. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Fuck. That. Then. I'm gonna remove this. Actually, wait. I wanna keep. We've already got the printf format correctly over here, so why not just reuse that one? Yeah. So we'll take this thing back. You see? And then we'll just change this one to. Now I can do it all at the same time. Pam. Like so. And again, it just writes on one of them for some reason. It thinks it's funny or something. Insert. Why? Okay. Again, let's try.
Anyways, you guys have a good time. I actually got to fix my sleep schedule, so bye, I guess. I don't know.
All right. Bye.
Yeah.
See you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Next time.
Nice. Okay. Well, now we're using the right print at least. Removing drive very USB due to not having any physical device. Huh. This is like new messages that I haven't gotten before. That's crazy. Let's see. Insert device layer Vulkan Chronos validations. Fail to find get proc layer. That's interesting. Anyways. Submit command buffer expect image source aspect image color bit mid level array to be in layout image layout shader read only optional. Instead current layer is vk image undefined. The Vulkan spec states if description with the equal any of vk descriptor type sample image qcom descriptor type block match image qcom with descriptor type sample image vk descriptor type storage image or vk attachment is accessed as a result of this command. All images subreads identified by the descriptor must be in the image layout identified when the descriptor was written. Okay. So I'm doing something wrong when I'm writing the descriptor sets. Okay. And I'm also doing something wrong with the transition. I'm a bit unsure about that. You figured out printing I read poggers instead of progress. Guys, we know how to print now. Woo! But that's fucking crazy that was the issue this whole time. Okay, I think I'm just doing the sampler wrong. Maybe. Um, I'm probably gonna have a headache with this thing again. I'm just gonna leave this here for later. It's like probably gonna run into it and I'm gonna cry and bitch about it. For desperate times, if Vulkan validation layers crashes. That's a great like so. Progress indeed, progress indeed. And then we can go back to this thing and be like, we ain't doing this thing. Now the only problem is that this is freaking annoying. I hope it's just like one staying there, but yeah. Peeps submit command buffer VK member expect VK image sub resource aspect color bit mid level array to be in layout VK image shade read only optimal. Instead, current layout is VK image layout undefined. So that's when I'm submitting it. Is it only one time that it's complaining about that submitting? Now there's submit buffer command buffer expect image color bit to be layout VK image shader read only optimal. Instead, current undefined. So when I'm going to the shader stage, I still have it to be in undefined. That's strange. I'm pretty certain that I don't. Let's go to submit. I should probably go to sleep though. Command buffer begin. And then here submit transition. Subtrain image barrier. But that should literally be it, and that doesn't make sense that it's in the subtrain image barrier and then transition. Because this one is I should probably make this a lot clearer what it's doing. This was when you could maybe do it on the that doesn't really make sense. But it takes the swap chain images, right? And then I imaged index. And why don't I keep track of current image? That would be so much clearer. Wait. Copy image to image. Because I have source, destination. I think I have them. Destination. Shouldn't take it. Oh yeah, draw onto this image. And then this image is the one that's being presented. The VK image. Oh my god. Anyways. I'm just trying to find, let's see, if we do this. Swap chain, copy to this image, swap chain, color attachment. Yeah, I mean, it should be okay. But for some reason, it's still in like not a okay mode. This could also go. Oh wait, I know why I have it actually. It can still stay for a while. It's for another testing purpose that I'm debating if I should completely remove the OBJ loader, and this one is working with the OBJ loader. And just go all in on GLTF and just use that for everything, but this is strange. P submit to expected VK image sub image with map level to be in layout shader with optimal current. Wait, but it's actually maybe it's not. I'm looking in the wrong place. Because we start the whole thing. Transition here, but that should still be correct. Because, okay, render semaphore current descriptor command buffer reset at the begin. Draw image barrier, right? I initialize it. And then I transition it to general and compute shader bit stage access shader, right? But that's for a diff. Get find descriptor set push constants. Yeah, I'm actually doing the. Maybe I do have it wrong. Transition to color attachment, stage attachment, depth image. Okay, I think I might have color attachment, depth attachment, render info, in command pipeline, bind pipeline.
Who's back?
Welcome back. Current frame GPU scene. Try to remove VM. Okay, this is just
What
me
you
doing.
doing right now?
Guess what the problem was? Why it's crashed all the time. It even crashed my stream. This thing.
You mean with a swap chain?
No, no, no. I don't know if I fixed. I think the swap chain is still not fixed. Wait, let me try to run and see. But yeah, there was some problems with the. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's lying to me. It seems to be able to resize without problems. It actually might be that it might be associated with the same issue, maybe.
What was the issue?
Did you know it made the whole stream crash?
Not gonna lie, I saw it kind of because I left the call,
Yeah.
but like I left, like my PC was still like all on and stuff because I just trained in my room, and like in the breaks, I looked over and saw like Lucas left already. Damn, that was a short stream. And, like 5 minutes after, I looked again and see, oh, Lucas back. He probably like crashed or something. Yeah.
Actually, oh no, the recording also crashed. I forgot to put the recording back on. Well, I have the stream if I ever wanted to. Yeah, no, the problem was in Vulkan here. Don't mind these things, just some weird artifact. Anyways, before I was using the logger from SIG, right? I changed it to the C printf, and now it's fine, basically. It's something to do, probably, we're just assuming, we haven't gone that far to actually figure it out, with the libc. That because some buffer like is fucked when I use the SIG logger, like something crashes, and I'm like, okay, great, and then so we changed it to use the C print F, and then it's fine. It does print the errors, and it doesn't. Yeah, and it doesn't crash because it was something weird happened inside of C++, the library when it. Maybe I should link.
And you figured it out because you like backtrace or something, or
No, we have had this issue before, where the callbacks crashed with the validation layers. I don't remember why the reason was, but I remember then that I switched out the print to be using a C printf again, and then it was working. And so I changed it again back, and yeah, now, well, it's there. And also, we got it working on Wayland. I don't know if you remember, but I had forced it to be in X11, which I probably should, because right now, if I start this to render doc, it will not work because this is incorrect.
Yeah, for development, it's quite good.
Yeah, I should probably do some check to see if I had the environment flag. Can I not just do this? I have left a comment here.
Yeah, you can do it with environment flag.
And I just do the else, which will be this
Well,
one.
not gonna lie. Yeah, no, wait, should be fine. Wait, I will be back in 1 sec. I just
One?
have to grab
1 sec. Why are you not back? You lied.
Okay, okay. Was it 2 seconds?
Yeah, crazy liar. Ah. So if it's... I think I do have this. What do I have? I have it called this thing, so I will take that. Paste it there. And then... If it is that, then I will use X11, else it will not... else we will just assume that they are on Wayland, right? That's a great assumption. Let's see if it compiles. It does. And if I run it through RenderDoc, it should be fine. Let's close the thing and let's start it through here. So now we should also be able to run through RenderDoc. And it should switch to X11. Oh fuck, I still have... Oh, but it does actually run. Great. Still running at a smooth 60 FPS, 62 actually. Yeah, that's great.
Are the models working or not? I can't quite tell.
Not quite. Something else is wrong, and I'm not getting the same print errors though. Oh yeah, because it doesn't run with validation layers in the render docs. That's true. Yeah, but it's funny because I also give it this extension. Wait, here, Wayland surface, and it still runs crazy. I don't understand that shouldn't be the case, but whatever. Yeah. It's okay.
Probably because you have a window, it runs on your thing because you also have a Wayland's extension on your PC.
Yeah, but the
Probably if you don't.
RenderDoc doesn't like, or at least in my experience, it doesn't like Wayland, so I had to change to X11. But maybe X11 is smart enough to run with Wayland for some reason. I don't know.
Well, are you not using like GLFW get extensions? Like, because that's what I normally do. Like with GLFW.
Yeah,
because
but I
they
should
give
actually.
like
I'm
all
thinking of
extensions
switching to
you-
SDL, but I think they probably have something similar.
Yeah, they have the same.
Yeah, I will do that. But after I have this thing working, I have to now figure out these errors, which is it's something with the transition. I should probably recreate or rework how that transition works. And then I have another thing with the writing of the descriptor sets, probably from the GLTF loader. There. I do something wrong here, like so.
By the way, do you already do like different pipelines and descriptor sets, layouts and stuff?
Yeah, or like I don't do different. I don't have different vertex data or shaders, but I do have different pipelines.
Why different pipelines if you have the same
Or
shaders?
that's
Because
just.
descriptor sets.
Oh wait, okay, wait. Depending on what you mean, but let me show you that I do have, in the sense, I have different pipelines. One is the compute pipeline, right? So I have that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess compute.
Well, in that sense, I do have different shaders. I didn't think about that. So here I have what I actually have two different computes for some reason. And then I have one graphics. I think I have a third graphics as well. Yeah, okay, I have a third graphics as well. Yeah. But why do I have push constants? They should be pretty much just... Oh yeah, this one is the more complicated one. This one is the... Yeah. Okay, this one is for GLTF graphics pipeline, and this one is just my shitty own version.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's getting really late. Yeah, I'm 1 hour past bedtime. Uh-oh. I will fix this tomorrow, and yeah, that was crazy. That took a lot of time, and it all was that just that stupid print, and I still really don't know why, but I know that the solution is just to fix out the thing. Yeah, that will be it. It's a good night from me. Bye bye everybody, and we'll fix this tomorrow. Bye.
See ya.